Hello and welcome to a BugMan's Life. Today we are taking a look at the last snake species, and this is one epic cool species. This species is what dreams are made of. It's called the Vogel spit viper. The Vogel spit viper, Trimeresurus vogeli, has been named so in honor of the German herpetologist Vogel. This species originates from Cambodia, Laos, Thailand and Vietnam. The color of these snakes differs slightly between males and females. Females are bright green and males are a more pale green. Males also sometimes have white dots, and the skin between scales are actually sky blue, which looks pretty amazing when you're up close. Something very interesting about these snakes is that they don't have the typical white belly. They've got a bright green belly, and I assume that this is to assist them in camouflaging themselves high up in the trees where they live. This is a venomous pit viper species, meaning that it can actually sense your hand just from the heat. So handling it, I would recommend you use a snake stick, because otherwise you will get bit in the finger. And trust me, that is not something that you want. Rather be safe than sorry. This is one of the most beautiful snake species that I've ever photographed. If you would like to see some of the photos, go look in the description below for the links to 500px. Now that you know a bit more about the Vogel spit viper, go share this video with a friend. And if you would like to know what's going on behind there, hit that subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I've dropped a few clues over there already. Then I will see you guys next time.